think it's so cool. These are the kind of things that I love to do the most. We're grateful that somebody let us borrow their Suburban, because our car and our coach would not make it over this road. Got all of our sound system in here, and we're ready just to have an incredible day. But wow, these are the kind of crazy places that God allows us to go. As far as you can see, nothing. Sorry for the bouncy video, but you get to go with us. You're not gonna believe this. There's a full-on suit sitting right there, hanging up. A full suit. Okay, so what you've been looking at is video of this house built in the 1800s. We're on this ranch, and the gentleman that owns it is 92 years old. He and his brother homesteaded this place. Actually, I was wrong. His grandfather homesteaded this place. They showed me the brand that they worked under. Then they had the ranch forever, and the brother of the man I just met, 92 years old, was living in here as recently as the 80s, and just one day just walked off and left it just like you see it, just on the Powder River, just at the base of the Elk Horns. Oregon Trail stuff right here, boys. So I'm out here in the middle of Oregon, out in the middle of this ranch, 5 miles off the beaten path, and I'm doing this called Country Days. I don't know what festival out here, and everybody's having a good time over there doing games like rolling hay. Yeah, and whom should they be playing in the background but my buddy Ken Holloway. I think that's just so cool to hear old Ken playing on there. And Ken, you still got it, man. I'm so proud of you. And I'm proud to be even connected this way. Listen, where you dig that hole, come on. Probably can't hear it, but it sounds good, man. Come on.
You may change your mind, 'cause the weeds are high where corn don't grow. Yeah, now you may change your mind, oh, 'cause the weeds are high where corn don't grow. Yeah, yeah.
But in 1999, we got married, but she didn't know what she was marrying. It's just like Johnny said, I had my rear end to God. That's what I did.
Well, that's the end of a crazy, wonderful day, and you can see how far out in the middle of nowhere that we are. Just a bunch of cowboy dirt and dust. And man, what a great day. We had such a great time, and I think 2 people got born again. That's so cool. God bless y'all. Thanks for joining us as we hit the dirty road, the dirty trails. Oh, silver, something like that.